Hi, I want to talk to you about a wonderful family tradition. This is something we've done for years as a family. My mom started us doing this, and I just always remember her making sure that our poppers or crackers were color coordinated, of course, at the Christmas table. So, for those of you that are not familiar with this, this is just fun. It's an icebreaker, and they come in these beautiful packages. We carry Robin Reed. We have traditional type of crackers with just little fun, little gifty little things inside of each one, of course, along with a crown. And another one that they just recently started to do, which I love, did this with my niece's daughter Ella, actually last year. In this case, this is a nutcracker, and you can see the little nutcrackers. It is a raceway. So you've got these little guys that you wind up and you race. And of course, I lost every time. So let me just show you about this. And what's so great about the Robin Reed Company is when Karen and I buy these, the gentleman that sells them to us is usually standing there in a kilt with his crown on. So it just makes you laugh. And of course, you have to buy them. So this is a cracker. And this is what you do. We kind of go 1, 2, 3. Pull. There it is. My little toy just fell to the ground. But the most important part of this is, wait a second, hold on. Here it is. It's the crown. I gotta show you this. And you all sit at the dining room table or wherever you sit and have your meal. And you put this fabulous crown on. Once again, a wonderful, wonderful family tradition. I know at Thanksgiving we got a lot of you started on this, so we have tons of choices. We'll take pictures of them. You can come in here and pick it out yourself, whatever you want, but I know our groups are going to be a little bit smaller this year, so another way just to have a little bit of fun.